announcer as he announces the halftime homecoming ceremony participants. Enjoy.
Freshman class, our sophomore class, our junior class, and our senior class. We will also be announcing the homecoming king and queen at the end of this ceremony. In the first Jeep, representing the freshman class, is Dariana Judd and Mark Earls. In the second Jeep, representing the sophomore class, Olivia Martinez and Vincenti Suska. In the next Jeep, also representing the sophomore class, Lillian Frazier and Gio Garcia. Our fourth Jeep in the parade, with some Old Glory on the back, is representing the junior class, Athena Brown and Jacob Maury. Our next Jeep, also with some Old Glory, is representing the junior class. It's Liliana Robles and Avion Jackson. And our final junior homecoming court representatives coming down the track right now are Riley Norman and Dakari Walls. Our next homecoming court is representing the senior class. It's Sky Verosic and Omar Zayas. Oh, they're not? Oh, then that was that. Oh. Whoopsie. Whoopsie. I think.
No, they should be coming out to midfield, is my understanding. Well, maybe not.
Yeah,
All right, JC, get the crowd hyped up. We'll do that. Zoom in more, Jay. I can't see them. You gotta zoom in. There you go. Now pan. There you go. All right, perfect. Yeah, John, you're our main shot right now, so do the best you can. I don't know what they're doing. So Bill,
Back to our regularly scheduled programming, ladies and gentlemen. We now have the seniors coming on the Jeeps.
Billy, you're gonna be
Our first Jeep is carrying our first senior homecoming court representatives, Sky Barosik and Omar Zayed.
sideline to midfield, and then Jonathan and take it from there. And then I'll tell you when you're good, and then you can move to the next person, and John will have.
Right behind them in the second Jeep, also representing the senior class, is Kendall Colas and Gavin Pilioris. In the third Jeep, also representing the senior class, is Samantha Galvin and Gianni Lovedon.
Great shot there, John.
And in our final Jeep of the night for the senior homecoming court, it's Ava Podolsky and Jackson Hoyt.
Great job, guys. Bill, zoom in on those. Yeah, over there. I need something to show while John gets realigned. You're drifting, Bill. You're drifting. Yeah, hang there, Jay. I'm trying to figure out what they're doing. Okay, zoom in and get them right around that curve that they're doing right now. And nice tight shots, okay? Tighter. And you're crooked.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are about to get started to meet your 2024-25 Nature Coast Homecoming Court. Our first homecoming court couple, representing the freshman class, are Dariana Judd and Mark Earls. Dariana is the daughter of Courtney Judd and little sister to Deontay Judd. She plays volleyball for the Lady Sharks as well as travel ball for Team Steel. Dariana is currently the treasurer for the freshman class. She started her freshman year with an outstanding GPA of 3.8. Her favorite subject is history. Her only words were, "Life is short, so don't waste your life on unnecessary things and love fam." Mark is the son of Tara and Eric Earls. He is a member of student government and currently the president of the freshman class. Mark entered high school with a GPA of 4.31. He plays JV and varsity football. In the future, he would like to attend the University of Florida to study business and finance. He would like to create a successful business after graduating from college. He would like to thank his close friends for always pushing him toward his best self. Ladies and gentlemen, from the freshman class, Dariana Judd and Mark Earls. Our next homecoming court, representing the sophomore class, is Olivia Martinez and Vincenti Suska. Olivia is the daughter of Leah and Chris Martinez. She spends her time focusing on school as it's her main priority right now. She has highest honors and maintains straight A's. Her dream is to attend Florida State University and is passionate to get a business degree and eventually become an interior designer. When she is not focusing on academics, she enjoys volunteering in the community, traveling, and hanging out with friends. She would like to thank her family who always pushed her to be her best self, and her best friends Kirsten and Adriana for showing her what real friendship is. Vincenti is the son of Lisa and Vinny Suska. Vincenti is an honor student at Nature Coast and has been enrolled in advanced placement courses. He also plays football and is on the weightlifting team. He also stated that he's a professional eater. Outside of school, Vincenti enjoys working out. His goal for the future is to go to college and then make loads of money to support his wife and 10 kids. Also representing the sophomore class, our next couple is Lillian Frazier and Gio Garcia. Lillian is the daughter of Andrea and Jeffrey Frazier. She is a straight A student and a member of the Junior Beta Club. She has won many awards over the last 6 years for her professional chalk art. After graduation, Lillian plans to attend college with the aspiration of becoming an architectural engineer. Gio is the son of Pamela and Gilberto Garcia. He is an active participant in athletics at Nature Coast through weightlifting, football, and track and field. In school, Gio has excelled academically and mathematics. After graduation, he would like to attend college to become an aerospace engineer. Outside of school, Gio enjoys hanging with his friends. Gio's family recently gained an angel when his grandmother passed away. He would like to share that he is continuing to work hard in school and athletics for her. Ladies and gentlemen, your sophomore homecoming class, Olivia Martinez, Vincenti Suska, Lillian Frazier, and Gio Garcia. Our next homecoming court couple is representing the junior class. It's Athena Brown and Jacob Maury. Athena has been playing softball for NCT since her freshman year, as well as flag football. She is a member of the National Honor Society. Athena would like the opportunity to play softball in college. In college, she would like to major in business and then open her own salon upon graduation. She wants to thank her mom and her dad for always being supportive and showing up to everything, along with Madeline D.E. Petrollo for always believing in her no matter what. She also wants to thank her friends for always having her back throughout everything and lifting her up. After high school, Jacob Maury would like to attend the Miami Culinary Institute. His dream is to travel the world as a chef. He would love to end up in Italy as his final culinary destination. He would like to thank his parents for always being there for him and always doing the best that they can. He would like to thank his entire family for supporting him and pushing him to be the best version of himself. Also representing the junior class, our next couple is Liliana Robles and Avion Jackson. Liliana is the daughter of Jessica Hernandez and Jose Robles. She is the current president of the junior class for student government and the secretary of National Honor Society. She is in her second year of being on the girls' weightlifting team and wishes to attend UF for a degree in business so that she can pursue her dreams of running her own business. Avion is the son of Natalie Koo and Aaron Jackson. His dad has been his motivation his whole life and motivates him to keep going every single day. His lifelong dream is to one day be able to support his mom without her having worries anymore. And our final junior homecoming court couple representatives are Riley Norman and Dakari Walls. Riley is the daughter of Kelly and Dwayne Norman. She is a member of the varsity cheer team and loves all her teammates. After high school, she plans on going to college to get a medical degree and eventually own a med spa. She would like to thank her parents, her sister Madison, and her best friends for always supporting and being there for her. She would like to give all the praise and glory to God for getting her where she is today. Dakari likes to consider himself a nonchalant dreadhead and has a vibrant personality. He wants to attend the University of Central Florida and become a knight. In his free time, you can usually catch him trolling people with his best buds. He'd like to give thanks to all his friends, family, and teachers who helped him become the person he is today. And he'd like to let everyone know God is good. Ladies and gentlemen, your junior homecoming corps. Our next homecoming court is representing the senior class. First up, it's Sky Verosic and Omar Zayas. Sky Verosic is the daughter of Star and John and proud big sister of Lucas. Sky is the Secretary of Student Government for the senior class, historian of National Honor Society, a member of the Shark Impact Club, Beta Club, Stand, and plays on girls' varsity basketball team. During her time in Nature Coast, she wrote a children's book titled Beautiful You. Sky attends to play at the University of South Florida and major in communications. She aspires to be a sports broadcaster or news anchor. Sky would also like to thank her graduating class for the honor of representing them for 4 years on homecoming court. Omar Zayas is the son of Edna Madera. He would like to thank his high school classmates for the honor of representing them. He hasn't been at NCT for a long time, but in the short time he has, the students and teachers have made a big impact on him in this new chapter of life. For those who know him, you know he has great character and an infectious sense of humor. Our next homecoming court couple also representing the senior class. It's Kendall Colas and Gavin Pilioris. Kendall Colas is the daughter of Denise Bresser and Marcus Colas. She is a member of the varsity cheerleading squad and current president of the senior class. While juggling cheer and a job, she continues to maintain a GPA of 4.3. Kendall enjoys making films and recently won first place in the world's largest high school film festival hosted in New York City. After high school, she plans to attend college and later attend flight school to become a pilot. Kendall would like to thank her family and best friend Mariana for always supporting her. Gavin Pilioris plays on the varsity football team. He also spends time outside of school boxing. His favorite sparring partner? His father. After high school, he plans to attend culinary and business school, and in the future, he would like to start his own chain restaurant. He would like to give a shout out to his mom, dad, sister, and grandparents, as they are all the people who have always been there for him throughout his entire life. Also representing the senior class, our next couple is Samantha Galvin and Gianni Labdar. Samantha is a dedicated senior, known for her kindness and her strong connections with those around her. She's the daughter of Samuel Galvin and Dolores Jaquez. In her free time, Samantha loves spending time with her boyfriend, Zion Merriweather, and running her own lash business. After graduation, she plans to go to college and pursue a career as a nerve technician. Tonight, Samantha wants to express her heartfelt appreciation to her parents and her little sisters for always supporting her. Gianni Labdar plans to attend the University of Central Florida after graduation. In his free time, you'll probably find him with his buddies watching sports, working, or getting tattoos. He would also like to thank his family for helping him become who he is today, and he would like to thank God for guiding him and giving him strength. And our final senior homecoming court representatives tonight are Ava Podolsky and Jackson Hoyt. Ava is the daughter of Holly and Thomas Podolsky. Ava has been a member of the Nature Coast girls soccer team for the last 3 years. When she is not playing soccer or working on her academics, she loves to travel. Upon graduation, Ava plans to attend the University of Tampa to pursue a degree in psychology. Jackson is the son of Kelly and Richard Hoyt and has a younger sister, Peyton. He is a third-year varsity quarterback on the Nature Coast football team. Jackson also excels academically with a current GPA of 4.3. After high school, he will be traveling to Gainesville as he is committed to the University of Florida to play baseball. Ladies and gentlemen, a hand for all of your 2024-25 homecoming court. However, ladies and gentlemen, it's now time for the main event. If the seniors could please step forward. And now, the much anticipated moment of the night. Please give a big round of applause as we present to you your 2024-2025 Homecoming King and Queen. Your 2024 Homecoming Queen is Sky Velocity. And your 2024 Homecoming King is Gianni Lundar. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, your 2024-2025 Nature Coast Technical High School Homecoming Court, led by your King and Queen.
We hope you enjoyed the halftime coverage of the Hernando, or correction, of the Nature Coast Homecoming, as they announced their king and queen here at homecoming night for the big rivalry game, Hernando versus Nature Coast. We're going to take a quick break and then come back with the McMurdo Family Vision Regional Scoreboard. Stay with us. Welcome back to the Golf